right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And we're really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So to start things off, right here on that little section, you do have PPF, and then 1/3 of the hood, and then the front bumper. And then you're going to have it right here on this little A-pillar to about right there. And then you're going to see it here on these side mirrors. So that's all fully protected in PPF paint protection film. Looking at that fender, overall in great condition. Here on this wheel, looks like we had some rash down here. It was touched up pretty good. You can see it is chewed up all the way till about right there. Rest of that looks nice. A-pillar looks good. Got one little bubble maybe here. Could be a rock impact. Got the camera there, that's cool. You got film here on the door cups as well as on that door edge. Overall, that door looks really nice. Tiny little scuff here. The rest of that's clean. You do have a chip down here. Upper section looks nice. Lower section looks good. I mean, you're gonna have little chips on that very edge. This wheel has curb rash all the way to about right there. So if you get close, you're gonna see it's chewed up there. They did a good job touching it up. That can actually be sanded down and painted and look brand new if you ever went that route. This looks like just a touch-up job. And here on the roof, massive panel roof. The paint on this looks absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful color. Like I said, 1/3 of that hood is protected in PPF. Looks like a little chip there and there. Might have a couple more, but overall very clean. You can see a chip, looks like underneath the paint, and then you have some imperfections in the film. No film on that headlight. Little rock impacts. It's really hard to tell if there's any chips on that paint, if they're underneath the film or not. Overall, that looks good. Right here on the very edge, you're not going to see that most likely, but there is some damage. See some cracks and a little crease. I mean, it's very subtle, and honestly, I don't think anybody's gonna see that. Overall though, that front end looks good. Love the grille. Here on this wheel, had a little rash here on that spoke. This black chrome does have a little bit of imperfections, which I think is really common with black chrome. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Door looks nice. That door looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Here on that wheel, a little bit of rash. Once again, it's been touched up though. On that 360 spin, you might have saw the taillights are flickering. That's just in camera, that is not in person. You're gonna see that also when you're doing like driving videos. Sometimes it looks like it's flickering, but it's not. You do have a larger chip right there and some sort of scuff. You can see something hit it and kind of scuffed it. Got a chip there. You have a crease in the bumper here and some larger gashes. You have a larger gash here with touch-up. It does not match. Little indention right here. You have some chips down here. That deck lid looks good. And then right there is a crease. Almost looks like a gash, but it's like a little indention in the paint now. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating here. Those buttons look nice. Overall, very clean. A couple tiny scuffs here. Carpet looks good. That bolster looks nice. A couple tiny scuffs here. These seats are super comfy. Gonna have a little bit of wear on the bottom side there. Otherwise looks good. A couple tiny scuffs on the steering wheel. All of that's clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. You have a little spot there. A couple small imperfections, otherwise really nice. Here on the back left panel, we do have a scratch right there. The rest of that looks good. A couple scuffs. You do have a rip right here. Looking at that seat, a couple small markings, otherwise in great condition. Here on the front right door panel, that's in great condition. Carpets look good. A couple tiny scuffs on the trim. Looking at that seat, that looks really good. This side of the console's clean. Here on the dash, all of that looks good. Upper side's good. Here on the back right door panel, overall very clean. A couple little scuffs. You do have a scratch in the leather, little scuff right there, and one here. You have a scuff there. The rest of that looks good. Back is nice and clean. You do have the big panel roof back here as well, and then you have mirrors that can pop down. Looking in here, looks awesome, and it is power. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Any of the flickering you see here on the screen, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Got the heads-up display, that's really nice. Of course, you see it flickering. It is not in person. Steering wheel is perfectly straight. I don't have any type of shimmy to it. Nice and quiet. Hitting the brakes kind of hard, feels solid. That bump was nice. Really no complaints, drives amazing.